Sorry, thank you for letting me know. How'd you get the fog fixed? And also, is it in my game? I'm just is it volumetric fog? Because in mine, I'm just doing a post-process effect. Code item, safe code. I do have an actor for the safe code. Alright. Code. Okay, so it's an object. The item object. Combination. Fine. Like, how did I set this up? So, let me see. Yeah, it's always a missing checkbox, right? I spent days. I've had debugging stuff I spent like 2 days on, and then it was just like I forgot to turn a checkbox on. Happens all the time. But yeah, glad you got that fixed. Um, let's see. So have a safe, and then combination. What is this? I don't know what this little exclamation means. I've never seen that before. Okay, so set combination. Want to do um the I think I need to do key item or key item spawner. Have that. Okay. So have key item spawner here. Instructs a safe code. Okay. Um, so if I copy this, okay, there's like 4819. Okay, so that gives me that. Item spawner. Okay, so if I go to my dungeon or level dungeon, yes, pick up item. key items. Right. Now, I'll change this to key item. Key. Really? Like an icon. Yes, you do. We'll just do that icon. We go here. Those spawn items. Oh, I also need one for spawning chests. Chests. Yes. Not that important. Yep, do that. And then I will make level and levels. Level. Selecting account. Can't find the settings. Are you talking about the settings for the fog? If you turn level that, it's a spell. And oh yeah, I think you need to expose those in I haven't done that in a while. I think you need to actually set those out in like a INI file, and then it reads it from there instead of like from the engine. From what I remember, it's been a long time since I've done that though. Like I'd have to go back and look at the documentation for it. Dungeon SGF. You need you to be one by one. Okay. Tools. Okay, stop. Right. Okay, and then I need on point key item chest. So I'm putting up a little bit. Put the start cam right here as well. And then that connection can go over here. Save. Uh, Object database. Bug. Yeah, some things you're like, oh, this should be easy to just test out. There should be just like a checkbox or it should be exposed somewhere, and then it's just not. Debug. Focus on spawn. Room. Uh, okay. Save. View. Main path. Room. Eat. Eat. I did call that spawn room, right? A spawn room. Yes. You. Oh, does not work. Why not? Save all. Did not build a cache. Come on. What do you mean you can't find the path? Oh, can't find exit room. There we go. Okay. And then create key lock. I want spawn item. Do yeah, I need to do key lock. And that is in the theme, I think, right? Setting theme. You. Okay, so marker emitter or emitter at marker node. What it is? Yeah, this one. Oh, this chest. Plug that into there. Wait. Function blueprint node, class templates, EP, save. There, safe. Combination. It's all fine. And I need to spawn item, blueprint node. And I need to spawn the item spawner and save. So here, block, path, main, block path. I think it's main key marker name is item. Block marker name is chess. Save. And if I go to dungeon, Oh, I forgot to put a light. Light. Save. All right, and then what was that? Dungeon. Yeah, floor one. Database debug. Save. Check out. All right, perfect. And it didn't spawn those. All right, straight key lock key. Oh, that's chess. And this should be chess. Chess there. Chess there. Key item is just key item. Yeah, key item spawner, key item, save, dungeon theme. I think that should be all I need to do. Key lock spawn on main, fast spawn on main. What's main? Save. It's just key red. I think this should work. Why is it not? Do debug. I am doing floor one, right? Yeah, floor one. Dungeon theme. Um, yeah, I did. But put that in there. Oh, I might have to build the cache again. Okay. Levels, dungeons. And that's a debug. That should work. Okay, it's not spawning even just the regular item. 1 second, coffee. Okay. Weird. The documentation for this. Set up key locks. Create the path. Main key marker name. Not even spawning the items though, which is weird. Placeable marker. Keys, marker names. Yeah, that's fine. Should be working. Yeah, that's fine. Whatever. Should be working. Great key lock. I want to, let me see, output log, do that. Real. Fuck. Why is it doing that? Is it doing this? There we go. Build. See if it gives me, that's cannot spawn marker key level. Why not? Module chunk. Oh wait, A. Oh, does it not? No, it should spawn it in the fog's under the water. Yeah. Are you using? Actually, don't. Yeah, I'm not sure how to. I would fix that. Yeah, it just depends on how you have this the fog set up. Does okay? Maybe it just can't spawn markers in. Right, so I will say just debug. Maybe it'll work that way. Oh yeah, if it's just a water material. Weird. Why isn't this connecting? Okay, it spawned something over here. Okay, access none, trying to read. Instruct object from class, the item spawner. Okay, so we'll do length is greater than 0 here to check. And do a is valid off this. Is valid. Okay. All right, that's good. Let me do the item spawner. String. Save. Gem. Save code. Or, right. And then over here. That 150. 150. Oh, nice. Yeah, like dynamic footstep sounds. That goes a long way to like making the game feel a lot more, not just polished, but make the game world feel more alive. Um, and that's definitely something I like to focus on. Why did I have these levels? Dungeon debug. I have my thing here. Snap connection. That's weird as hell. Save. Debug database. Cache. That's the only module that I have. Okay, so okay, that it works better. All right, play. Oh, come on, Unreal, you can do it. Why is it taking a long time to generate this? Did it not work? Why did it fail to generate? Oh, nice. Yeah, it's cool when you can like figure stuff out while trying to solve another problem. Um, here, build. Why? I don't understand why this just does not work sometimes. Load cache, save, one. Fuck. What do you mean can't find main path? Room, room. Is it? Well, create 3D grid. That. Build. Shit makes no sense. I don't understand this. Why not? Oh, I know why. No, that's not it. The fuck? I don't know why this just does not work sometimes. Um, room. I just change this to yeah, it's not that Unreal is that hard to use. There's just like a lot of it, so people get overwhelmed with how many features it has. But you're really not supposed to actually be able to do everything. Like most people just specialize on one thing. Like I mostly focused on animation for most of my career. Um, and that's still like my specialty. I just have like a okay understanding of most other stuff it can do. I just don't know why this isn't working. Uh, yeah, exactly. It's not work. It's just the output log just does not give me, yeah, it just says failed to generate. And I don't know why. It's not helpful. I just go back to the regular graph. That won't build fine. Okay, I'll just go to my regular S spawn ring or level gym levels spawn room. Spawn chest. Spawn a chest and spawn a key item. Save. Check out. Back here. Cache it. Cache it again. Save. Oh, I didn't know it wasn't connected to Unreal. Yeah, that's like honestly the only real thing I use ChatGPT for is for like kind of searching documentation. Because Unreal does have okay documentation, but it can be hard to find where that information is sometimes. So I was hoping the new AI plugin for what is it, 5.7 would help with that, but who knows? Did it not? Oh, I think in um, levels. I think in here I have a player start. Oh, I don't. Or not, or I'm just crazy. I had to go to. Oh no, I already have it set up there. Okay. Dungeon. Uh, yeah. Honestly, I'm not surprised it doesn't work that well. Why is it spawning me here? Uh, player state. Yeah, I only have one player start. I don't know why it's spawning me right here. Game mode. Uh, play. player start. Weird. Dungeon. Dungeon. Yeah, there's only one player start. Why is it spawning me there? But yeah, yeah. I think it'll probably get better once it's out of beta, but who knows, right? Like, why do I keep getting spawned here? Like, I don't understand. It's weird as hell. Because I don't have a player start in that sub-level. I mean, I have my snap connections and cameras. Oh, my cameras probably have a tag on them. I'm not actually spawning there. It's just setting that. Okay, that should fix that. Save. Okay. Not where I was spawning. I was just setting the start camera to be that one. Okay. Yeah, looks like the chest still isn't spawning. I'll put one. Yeah, 5.6 does has a decent amount of bugs. Luckily, I'm on 5.6 right now. And luckily I haven't run into too much stuff. Um, too many issues with it that weren't my fault. Why the fuck isn't this working? Oh, because I'm dumb. That's why. Because um you create key lock path main key item and yes. Build save. You and you. Oh, really? Yeah, they added a lot of animation tools in 5.6, especially rigging stuff, so I'm not surprised that things broke. I remember when I was first testing stuff out with their modular rigging, there was something I couldn't get working that should have been working, but that was like the week it came out, so um okay. Still doesn't seem to be spawning in chests. Oops. Hmm. Why not? It should be file, recent levels, spawn room. Um, it might just, let's see. Let's go here and set our spawn room to be, and why? Um, yeah, I think it doesn't. Oh, I didn't actually connect this. That's why I didn't spawn. uh, you. Okay, save. Right. Still doesn't look like they're spawning though. I don't know if it just like doesn't spawn in the spawn room. I think it should be spawn items, item. Probably just clearly something I'm missing. Database, build, cache. This is one of the big things I have left to do, I think. Okay, I think it must just not spawn things in the spawn room. So if I go to here and switch this to this one. Okay, try that. Switch it to the debug one. Save. See if this works at all. Yeah, no, this doesn't work. I don't know why the debug. This should work. Main spawn point. Me. None. Eight. This shit makes no sense. Unless it just can't. Yeah, that's the spawn point. So that should be working. There's the start camera, so that should be working. It worked the first couple times I tried it. Why is it saying can't find path? debug one. Right, I guess take this. Right, main path. Do this. Build. Right. That. There. The fuck? I literally haven't done anything. No level goal. No main goal. Do I need to have the main goal in there? I don't understand this. I really wish this plugin had better debug tools. It might be actually debug. Oh yeah. Different like verticality and levels is really difficult to get working properly. Fucking you room. Yeah, this should still work. On room. Debug. Add another one. Maybe I just don't have enough. A. Yeah. Start marker name, spawn points. On room. Art ends. Come on, that didn't work. I really don't understand why this isn't working. Oh, nice. Yeah, reusing assets is smart. Don't know why this doesn't work. Okay. I'm going to go to levels, rooms. Go this one. Put it. Maybe this one. Fucking sure, I'll put it. Stuff. Put a chest here. And key item here. Save, check out module database, build, save. Okay, file, recent levels, dungeon, database. And build. Okay. Yes. Okay, so I have replacement markers. But did it actually work? Didn't look like it. Okay. Is it actually? Hmm. Let's just test it. Just data item pickup. There's the placement markers, but I don't know if there's any actual. Is this door not open over here? Yeah, no door over here. This way. Oh, there's no door over here either. What the fuck? The hell? How'd that happen? Couldn't be possible. Just the dungeon got spawned all fucky. I really don't know why my debug version. I wanted to set this up so it'd be easier to test. Let me do safe, event graph, begin play. That combination, yeah, I should print the combination. Way. It's string. I just want to see if it's actually spawning them. Doesn't seem like it is. Yeah, it doesn't look like it is. All right, more coffee. I don't know why I can't get this working. Okay, so yeah, module database, photo graph, yeah. GF graph. Oh, this should be You build. I save. Yeah. Lock. Marker. Action. Um. On a key. The marker nodes. Markers. Keys. Key markers. Open. Oh, the connection assets. Map connection. Here we go. I need. Forgot to add it here. Dungeon. Little marker road. Let's call it chess. Safe. Okay. Rebuild. Save. Out. Is that what I needed to do? Okay. Okay, was that it? Okay, spawn the chest. Set combination. Code item. Okay, so this, I think, should be on. Yeah, this shouldn't be in the construction script. Graph. I'll actually put this after the delay. Okay, and then I also want to say X color. Okay, we'll say that's green for those, and the safe code. The item spawner. And graph, we'll say this is begin play. And all. Okay. We actually changed the color of this. Oh, that's green. I'm gonna make this red. And I will make this green. Okay. Save. Okay, yeah. Why is it? Okay, it only printed one, that's fine, because it's randomly generates. Why did it print it out blue? Oh, that's weird. That combination. Ah. Get rid of that. Oh. No, graph. Gameplay, set combination. Work. Key item spawner. Alright, it just spawned the lock code, but not. Weird. If code, key item spawner. On begin play. I'm gonna put a delay after this. Oh wait, is valid, is not valid. Okay. Oh, and then I don't want to do this right after. Okay. Why isn't it constructing the in play? Okay, maybe I'll add a delay here. So cast a player character, get all actors of class. I'm gonna add a 2-second delay to this. Okay, is valid. At the very least, be printing this. Why is it not generating? Why? Save. Just do. Make sure these are spawning at all. Okay, one is spawned, which was good. Oh. Because I'm casting. Why? I can't cast to nothing on begin play. Okay, could not find safe to generate code. That's fine. String. Interesting. Okay, so not valid. What? I know both are being spawned. And all actors of class. Interesting. Uh-huh. Okay, I generated one safe. Okay, so that time it just didn't spawn any, but it should always spawn some. On the safe. Fuck. There. Do ring self. Why isn't it spawning? If you chest a key item, key item spawner, probability 100%. So I just spawned the keys in here. But not the chests. Right. Not connection, chest. Yes. Item. Save. Key lock. Main key item and chest. Okay. That's weird. Why isn't it spawning? Levels. You should be spawning key items. Key items. Key item. Confused. Yes. Key lock. Lock marker chest. Key marker name key item. It is spawning the chest. For sure. I know that. But it's not spawning the key. Why not? Unsure. S. Or no, safe. A safe. A key item. Keys. Hmm. It has the markers. A placeable marker actor. Key items, placeable marker actor. Those exist. Access none on object. But it should still print out. At the very least, just print out your name. So I know they're spawning. Doesn't make sense. App connection, yes. EP safe. Selection. Transform, spawn logic. Logic is there. I don't know what that is. Save. Okay, key item. I know for a fact it's not key items. Yeah, no matching actors. Item, yeah. The item. Item. A dash. Hmm. I don't understand. I see. Item. Spawner. Collision. Oh yeah, always spawn ignore collision, so that should be fine. Hmm. Item. The chests are spawning, but why are the keys not spawning? Hmm. simple. Why isn't it? What am I missing? On keys. Theme. The marker node. A sensitive. Like app. Key item. Yeah, key item. I'm absolutely just copy pasting that. Marker name is key item. And graph is key item. Um, definition. Yes. Key item is the key item spawner. Do I need to change the actor template? Maybe I do that. Yeah. Item spawner, there we go. Build, save. Let me just add blueprint node. Key item honor. Okay. Save. Save. I don't understand. Dash. Dash. Boom. Save. Do. Dungeon. Prints. Save. 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 One sec, I'll be right back. I gotta move my car. Oh, I gotta figure this shit out. So my chests are spawning, but my keys aren't. Hmm. Stop. Performance thing, stop. There we go. Okay, output log. Log. Cannot spawn marker item. That's fine. I'm not trying to spawn items. The item and module chunk. Why not? All it tells me is it can't spawn them. It didn't tell me why. Have mesh I don't care about right now. The item. Does it just like not spawn things in the same room? Does it say, is that just like a thing it doesn't want to do? Let's change this to be the item. Check out. Dash. If it's that, I wish that would be in the documentation. No, that's not it. Item, key item. Why not? F on items. Hmm. Last resort. Um, see. Marker. In a scene. Yeah, this is a marker emitter. Item. Item. Um, um, placeable markers. An architect. Hmm. Oh, this isn't working. Fucking hell. App connections. Yes. The chests are spawning fine. Mhm. But why don't the keys spawn? So lost. Key item. Items. Yeah, marker, asset, key item. There's no marker in Minecraft. Key locks. Database. Create treasure key lock. Main. Yeah, it's spawning in the debug thing. Hmm. The base. Team. Um, Good. I just do like a rinse, like a cube box. God, just blockout box. The item. Save. And the base module. Still can't spawn the key item. Why the fuck not? Oh, maybe that's it. Uh, no. Um, Lightning markers. Um, I don't fucking know. This doesn't make any sense. Forward. Page. Same marker type. That's cool, but not what I need. And game. mm, I am so confused as to why this isn't working. I'm not sure I don't know what this is. Nothing I'm doing is working. Edits. Player controller. Graph. On. Okay. Mouse. E. Icon. Actually. Okay. 50. Oh, that does damage to me. Okay. E. Oh. If um that was that. Okay. Mm. I don't understand. Why is this like this? Great key lock. What if I switch these around? Yes, that actually won't work at all. Um, um, item, chess, save. Does spawning just regular items even work? Hold, save. Here. Yeah, it's saying it can't spawn any items. Why not? Hallway C, hallway B, hallway, 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 hallway. Oh, it's saying it can't spawn it just in hallways. Uprooms. Not spawn marker. Distant level. Wait, are those? Wow, recent levels. A. No, it should be able to spawn stuff in here. It can spawn enemies fine, and it does spawn keys. Ah, so confused. All persistent levels. Oh my god. Save. Levels. Yeah. See, because main path, yeah, has hallways in the main path. I don't understand why this doesn't work. Go. Always see. Okay, I'll go to tools and rooms. Go to like room B. And put in the item there. Save. Right. The database. Build the cache. Save. Levels dungeon. There. No, still not working. Not spawn. Marker in hallway C. Hallway C. Okay, so I'll remove it from that. Hallway C. Where's my marker emitters? What? E? This is, yeah, cannot spawn marker, emitter, key item, and module chunk. Subrooms hallway C. That's, yeah, but I don't hallway C. App connection. That's just the doors. Yeah, I don't have any markers in here. Okay, save, I guess. I'll put in the item in there. I don't fucking know. That's weird. Save. I'll save all. Database. Cache. Save. I don't know why I was trying to spawn one in there when I didn't have it set in there. Engine. Log. Here. Cannot spawn marker level goal. Did that work? Still says safe. Where? Item spawner. Alright, it's not telling me it can't spawn it now. It's not giving me that error. Okay, now it spawned it. It was very strange. So now if I go to the item spawner, and just go there. Huh. Is it? It cannot spawn. What? It's in room A level instance persistent level. All right, file recent levels. Room A. You are. Is it? It might just be. It's not getting cached properly. EM. Like when I'm building the cache. Key items. Save. Save all. It might just be my module database is not caching. Save. Levels. Legends. Because I have noticed really weird issues with Unreal caching stuff into memory in 5.6. It seems to just like holding onto stuff when you're trying to clear it. Okay, maybe I go to the graph, not this one. This one. Just build it again. Fuck. A key item and model. I just added it. Hallway B. Log. Record level goal. It should. Alright, item spawner. Log. Okay. Alright, it's working now. Bank. Oh, if I... Is it something this simple? Like, if I do that, do this. Okay, no, it worked. Okay. Yeah, I have spawner. Where it's working now for some reason. Right. I do this. All right, now it's working. Cool. All right, now it works. Now it works. Now it works. So what I'm gonna do is say, go here, this, and say, get is. Oh, I need to cast. No, I shouldn't need to cast to it. Safe. Spaces, use item. I thought I had for my safe. Code item. Interact. Use item. Okay, so this is working now. File. Save all. Recent levels. Player movement. E. Okay. 515. Rats. Back. Right. Have a safe. Combination. Code length. At the 3. Do not find safe to generate code for. Because it is. Yeah, safe code, key spawner. Right, so I don't need to, I don't want this on gameplay. Safe. Code. Why isn't this working? Okay, 5640. 5640. Enter. Unlocked. 5640. Enter. Unlocked. Okay, I just need to set. I know. Okay. I want to say, all right, I want to add a boolean, say is opened. I want to save is open, it's false by default. Interact, open keypad menu here. Keypad here. Check code unlocked. All unlocked. Okay, so here it's on the player controller. Open keypad menu. I will say add a return. Return you like a keypad widget. Save, safe, and then do on, what is it? Unlocked. Find event to unlocked. Create event. Create matching function. Okay, set safe unlocked. And is opened. Set is opened. True. Save. Go over here. Say do get is opened. It is opened. And then we say ranch is valid and is opened is false. And instead of that, we do it for each. I want to check to make sure. Get rid of the get. Like that. Actually, I want to do for each with break. For each break. That. Okay. There, greater than 0. You true. Greater than that. Okay. Combination is opened. Is valid, right? Okay. All right, that's all good. File and save. All right, file, save all. And then we'll make a couple chests. Right. So we got a couple chests. 79961. Right. 79961. Enter. Wrong code. Wait. How do I close? I don't have a way to close this menu. I need just add a button for exits. Button box. Button. Vertical box. Oh my god. Can you please go down here? Thank you. Setting on everything is 10. X A exits to be centered fill okay file save check out exit wrath on clicked button that exit button file save remove from parent set input mode and only get the controller. All right, file save. Okay. So 7.6. And I changed the codes to be safe. Code length and graph interact. Set combination. 9 is way too long for a code. 5. Okay. I don't need that. I'll save. Zero zero eight eight seven. So one of these should be 00887 00887. Enter. Oh, I did exit. 00887. Enter. Wrong code. Okay, exits. Enter. Wrong code. Exits. Enter. All right, that one unlocked. If I go over here again, it's still telling me 00887. Shit. So if I go item spawner, if is opened is true, go safe unlocked, parent string, safe opens, file save. Actually don't need to construct an object for this right now. Oh, yes I do. Or I could just go like that. Save. Is greater than 0. Loop body, if is opened, is false. Okay. The codes 95518. 95518. Enter. Wrong code. Sits. Enter. Wrong code. Sits. Enter. Unlocked. Okay. Sits. Why isn't it printing out a different code? I don't need a delay on that. And all actors of class safe. And it's string. Let's just print all the codes when I walk over it. Oh, I'm not doing a break, that's why. Print string. Maybe break. Two, 6, 3, 1. 2, 6, 3, 1. Enter. Unlocked. All right. So it is saying safe opens. Okay, so instructions. Interact. God damn it, I didn't connect this. Right now it should work. 85684. 85684. Enter. Safe opened. Unlocked. Then 096400. 096400. Enter. Safe opened. Okay. And then 19113. 19113. Enter. Safe open. Sick. All right, I'm gonna make it so that every time you construct this, you set the combination text. And graph construct set text or set text on this text or code text. Get code text, set text, and none. So save. All right, 048295. 048295. Enter. If opened. 686056. 686056. Enter. Safe open. Sweet. And then 3656. 3656. Cool. And then I'm going to say on the safe, under interact, say is open branch else. I'll save. Save. All right. Uh, 39769. 39769. Enter. If unlocked. Well, I can't interact with it, but I also want to say event graph. Oh man. Interact, construction, safe unlocked. I need to go to interact actor, graph, display interact message needs to have display interact message also be that is opened. Just that in there. File, save. I'll save all. Uh, 8445. 8445. Enter. Safe unlocked. Tweets. All right, and then I'll say safe unlocked. Get display. W. What is it? Interact actor UI prompts. It's by prompt. Appearance. Right. Save. And I can do like erupt or spawn. I'll just do spawn actor. Spawn actor class. Item. EP data item pickup. Get actor transform. Okay. Damn it. There. Actor transform, random loot, soft data assets, whatever. Data asset array. Make map. Why is this a map? Actually, I think if I just have it set to random loot, it should spawn something. All right. If I go over here, 120, 236, 120, 236, enter. And then I can do destroy actor self. We'll do 970020 970020 enter. All right, that gave me some shotgun ammo. Cool. And then this one is 6494 6494 enter. Let me pick this up. I'll add the Z offset to this. Splits. Add 50. Transform. Right. Save. 54436. 54436. Enter. Right. Got some pistol ammo. 66786. 66786. Enter. Got more pistol ammo. And 236095. 236095. And that gave me a knife. Right. Okay. Cool. That's all good. Tomorrow I'll set it up so that like we actually have a key inventory and then we can look at like the safe codes and stuff because right now it's a little hard coded. But we have everything working. That's all good. I didn't want to do too much today because I want to get back into Silent Hill 3. That is actually I don't need to save that. I can revert that. I don't want that. That. I do want to save that. I do want to save that. I can revert that one. Revert. Okay. Brush. Save. Setting up spawn logic for the items and chests. All right, cool. Sweet. I'm going to take a quick little break, just a few minutes, and then be back on with Silent Hill F. All right. I'll be back in like 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, let's close up Unreal for today. Um, so we can close this. Go. And um Spotify, please stop. There we go. And let me change the stream settings. I'm gonna end that.